Hi, have you ever wanted to start an online business but didn't know where to start? That's how I felt about 18 months ago. And then suddenly I found, after much searching, a proven online business startup, which is absolutely amazing. I drove a London cab for 22 years. There's my cab badge. And I was fed up with working weekends. I was fed up with getting nowhere. And I just about had enough. I nearly became homeless. I actually bankrupt myself, and I lost a 30-year relationship. And then when I was at my lowest, I was literally searching my social media and found an online business. I've been wanting to start an online business for about 3 years. I was really getting fed up with my job anyway. So one day I was sort of searching around. I think, I really want to find something that I can do from home, just on the internet. There must be a way to start an online business, but I just didn't know where to start. And suddenly I was searching my social media one day, had a look on YouTube, and I found an advert very similar to this person chatting away about an online business. I thought, oh yeah, I've heard it all before, mate. But I thought, you know what, I'll give it a listen. It was a free webinar, 90-minute webinar. I watched the webinar and I thought, do you know what, I could do this. I really could. And so I took the plunge and I started. That was 18 months ago. And it's really going well. The training site is absolutely amazing. It's really easy tech. It's all video based. You get a one-to-one mentor or coach. They have a Zoom meeting once a week. They have masterminds where you get really fantastic tips and little hints how to do things better. You know, if you're stuck, we've got a community of over 60,000 people worldwide. And you just put a little question up and someone will always have the answer to give you if you're stuck or anything like that. If you're wondering, well, if he's so successful running an online business, why has he got no front teeth? I can't get an appointment at the dentist, can I? Have been in lockdown for the last year. I can't get an appointment at a dentist to get my teeth fixed. But if this has resonated with you in any way, believe me, it's not going to cost you anything. It's totally free to take a look. So we run a 90-minute webinar, a live webinar twice a week, on a Tuesday and Thursday. And also we have a replay, which you can watch at any time when the kids are in bed or you've got a quiet hour and a half to watch. And it's really an amazing system, how this business runs. It has changed so many people's lives. Believe me, it really has. There's people that have had 3 and 4 jobs, that have given up those jobs and just purely working online. If you were interested, you piqued your interest a little bit like you did me, take a look. All you got to do is put your name and your email into my website. I will send you a link to a free webinar. Take a look. If it's for you, fantastic. If it's not, then you haven't lost anything because it's not cost you anything. But I would definitely take a chance, and I would love to see you on the webinar. We do live webinar twice a week, and I'd love to see you there. My website is www.dreammakersclub.com. Take a look, pop your email in, pop your name in, and I will send you the link. And I would love to see you there. Bye.